What's going on, guys? XSR Detroit here with another Ford Maverick install video. Today I'm going to be building a bicycle rack for the bed of my truck. What inspired me to do this is my wife just bought this sick Trek Verve 1. It's a beautiful bike with this gorgeous metallic orange paint, and it's just too nice to simply chuck in the back of my truck like I do with my bike. You know, my bike's 10 years old, it's beat up, it's been some places, it's seen some things, so I personally don't care about it getting scratched, but her bike is just, it's too minty. We need to make something better. So I'm gonna grab some tools and some materials and show you guys how you can build a super cheap bicycle rack for your truck. So on the Ford Maverick, we've got a slat on each side. This is where our 6x8 is gonna slot into. So the first thing I'm gonna do is measure it out and see where we're at. 43¼ inches. And your mileage may vary on this. My bed is sprayed in. If you have the like modular insert, your measurements might be different, so don't completely take my word on this. Bust out the measuring tape and check it yourself just to be sure. Go ahead and grab your wood. I had like a Ben Shapiro moment at Lowe's today. I just went and bought a single 6x8. So this is 6x8, 2 inches thick. That's what you're gonna need. I'm going to put the measurement on the board, mark it, and then we can cut it. And I kind of didn't realize that I don't have a table for a circular saw, so I might end up using the bed. We'll see how that goes. That's a nice straight line. I don't know if that's showing up on the camera. We'll just fix that a little. What I've done is I put an automotive jack on top of the board in my bed. It's kind of the only option I have. Is this safe? Maybe. I have safety glasses. You know, I'm prepared. Nothing bad is gonna happen. Should you do this? Why not? Maybe don't. Maybe don't. Maybe do it. We'll find out in a couple minutes. If I come back and I'm missing fingers, we knew it was a bad idea. But maybe I'll have all my fingers, I don't know. All right, nothing bad happened. All right, moment of truth. Slide that in. Oh yeah, I probably could have done like maybe 43.5 inches and it would have fit a little more snug, but I mean, I don't think it's gonna be an issue. This is to quickly mount the bikes, and I'm gonna be strapping the bikes down anyway, so it fits. And I have enough 6x8 left that in the back of the truck here, I could cut the rest and have kind of a bed divider, so that's pretty cool for $5 of wood. Now that we've cut the board to length, we need to talk about mounting options, and this is where you might have to do a bit of research. It really just depends. So this is a quick release from MBP. It's a 9x100. Both my wife and I ride Trek bikes, so the axle size is the same, so I bought 2 of these. They don't come with any mounting hardware, so I'm gonna have to run to the store real quick and get the proper screws for it. But yeah, this is it. I mean, you take off the front wheel, you slide the bike up here, tighten it up. But yeah, make sure you do your research. This supposedly is the most common size, 9x100, but of course your mileage may vary. So before I start drilling the mounts into the board, I decided to pop the bikes in the bed and kind of just get a rough look at the fit. My wife's bike has a much taller handlebar than I do, and I've got these like grab bar things at the end. I don't know what they're called. But I just wanted to see roughly what the fit was going to look like, just in case I had to make any adjustments before I installed the mounts. So at this point, we are ready to install the mounts onto the board. Go ahead, grab your board. What we're going to do is we are going to measure from the edge 14 3/8 inches. So we'll mark that. Now we're going to measure 3 inches down. And mark that. And then we'll do the same from the other side. go ahead and grab your fork mount and just set it at that 3-inch mark. And what we're gonna do is just mark the holes. I'm lining it up with the center here. We're gonna mark the left and right holes to drill. And we're gonna do this for both sides. I've got 4 pilot holes to each side to drill. Basically, the hardware that I'm using are 8 by 1.5 cabinet screws. So we'll just start these out, fasten this down, and call this a wrap. All right, got my 2 fasteners. Let's start drilling. Is a 3/8 impact overkill for this? Absolutely, but it's what I got, so. That's it for the video, guys. A very quick and easy project. All the materials cost around like 50 bucks. It was pretty cheap and it's easy to do. If I wasn't filming, this probably would have taken me like 20 minutes. It's kind of a no-brainer if you've got a Maverick and some bicycles. My wife was the big inspiration for this project. This bike that she got, it's just too nice. It deserves respect. I'm not chucking it in a bed. It deserves more than that. So I wanted to put this together for her. We're gonna take the bikes out Saturday for the first time, and I'm really excited about that. I'm so excited that she's getting into it. It's been a big hobby of mine over the years, and I'm really looking forward to it. But I hope you guys found this video informative. I have a ton of Maverick content on my channel, and I've got a lot more coming, so stay tuned. If you're brand new, maybe subscribe. But yeah, guys, I will see you in the next video.